Hey guys, welcome to Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. It's Matt and
Michael,
coming to you live with another unboxing of an old favourite. What have we got here?
Is it live or is it recorded?
We're recording live. For me, this is live. For you, it could be any time. But
yeah, that's right.
It is what it is.
We are unboxing the Philharmonics, which is probably my favourite or one of my top couple favourites bullion coins.
It is incredibly cool. What year did they begin with the silver?
I have no idea.
2008.
There you go.
Which I was shocked by. I thought because a lot of the other countries, it was around about the 80s was the hot period for national bullion coins, but 1989 was the introduction of the gold.
Yep.
But they were swinging the lead on the silver front.
But so did, we're getting way off topic, so did the Krugers.
Yeah, this is true. Yeah, they were actually last to the party.
Because they were only, what, 2017?
2017. It was the 50th anniversary of the original Krugerrand, 1967.
Why wouldn't you produce the 1 ounce?
It seems when every other country is doing it, and you're known as, you know, the go-to, the gold standard for bullion. Well, let's unbox this anyway.
You've got the knife, mate.
All right, let's go.
They don't trust me with it these days.
Oh, look at that.
Mate.
That's some of my best work.
I won't make the comment if that's the hardest I've seen you work all day.
All right, let's have a little look. I will go out on a limb and suggest we might be in line to see some musical instruments, Michael.
I'd say so. So for those that don't know, the design doesn't change year to year. They just update the date on it. So it will look the same as the 2021 and the 2020. It'll just have 2022 stamped on it.
Unbelievable. Same old, same old.
Yeah,
It'd be nice if they did an update.
No, but it's a classic design.
It is, and I do really enjoy it, but maybe, you know, there's a lot of instruments in an orchestra. Maybe
do you
put something else
realise
in there.
the amount of hate mail we got when you announced that the Krugerrand should be updated and changed, and now you're going to do it to the Austrian Philharmonic?
That's the nature of the industry, right? Unless you're stirring the pot, you know, you've got to start the conversation. Which instruments would you like to see on the updated Philharmonic?
The kazoo.
Kazoo, there we go. Feel free to add your favourites in the comments.
So what do you think to it?
I love it. I think it's really cool. I like the fact that there is no reading on the edge of these coins. It's just a nice point of difference, but generally when I'm handling them, it's one of the few coins that I actually will generally chuck a glove on when handling because fingerprints will show up on that smooth edge. And
the reading, you reckon the reading's fair game to use bare fingers on?
Absolutely.
So we're going to ignite the internet here again.
Ignite, yeah, go for it. It was acknowledged by, I think it was Baldwin's, which is one of the largest numismatic auction houses in the world, acknowledged that when they handle any of their coins, they don't wear gloves because it's far too risky to have a glove on when you're handling up to $1 million coin.
Yeah.
If you don't have a very firm grip on it and don't have that sense and you drop it, yeah, it's kind of...
Oh, look, working with gloves is a mongrel.
Yeah.
There's no doubt about it. But, yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? There's always a hot debate over whether you can touch the coins on the reading. I'm not obviously talking about the face of the coin, but on the reading or not.
Yeah.
So.
Generally speaking, if you have clean hands and you are... it sounds like it's a skill, but if you have a bit of experience handling coins, it becomes something that is second nature. So,
Oh, I'd agree with that.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Alrighty, that's it for the 2022 Philharmonics. They are in stock. Grab them while you can. We should be able to get them through most of the year, but supply chain issues and all that sort of stuff, you're never quite certain. But yeah, so if you want to complete your set, you need the 2022. Grab it while you can. And yeah, if you're happy to wait, well, we should have them most of the year through.
Yep.
Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. We'll talk again soon. See ya.